purpose of all of this is to meet people, to connect, to engage with one another, and to absorb the intelligence that's in this room.
I'm optimistic. I think there's a lot of opportunities in media right now.
How do you tie cross-channel measurement to actually a sale or whatever that KPI is?
I believe AI is going to accelerate the whole move to outcomes.
Hey, how much are you guys going to invest in these winners?
For now, it's going to be just a lot of testing and iterating. 2 years from now, I think it's going to be wild.
In that chaotic time comes opportunity, and in that opportunity comes innovation.
Thank you so much. This has been a great event.